Hey everyone! Welcome to today's episode where we break down the mind-blowing world of generative AI. Don't worry if you're new to AI, we're making this super easy, fun, and inspiring. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what generative AI is but also how it's shaping the future. So, let's dive in. Alright, let's start with the basics. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. Like text, images, videos, music, and even code, just like a human would. Imagine having a robot that can paint like Picasso, write stories like Shakespeare, or compose music like Beethoven. Sounds cool, right? You may have heard of tools like ChatGPT, DALL, MidJourney, or RunwayML. These are all examples of generative AI. But how do they work? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. At the heart of generative AI are neural networks. Think of them as super smart brains that have learned patterns from massive amounts of data. Let's take ChatGPT as an example. It has read millions of books, articles, and conversations to learn how humans communicate. So when you ask it a question, it predicts the best possible answer based on what it has learned. Generative AI is trained using a method called deep learning, specifically something called transformers. Imagine a super sponge soaking up information and then spitting out something new but familiar. This is why AI-generated content feels so natural. Now that you know how it works, let's see what it can actually do. Generative AI is everywhere. Here are some amazing applications. 1. Writing and chatbots. AI writes blog posts, product descriptions, and even novels. An example is ChatGPT and Jasper AI. 2. Art and design. AI generates unique artwork, logos, and graphics. An example is MidJourney and DALL. 3. Music and audio. AI composes original music and even mimics famous voices. Examples are Ava and 11 Labs. 4. Video and animation. AI can generate realistic video effects, create animations, and even edit videos. Examples are RunwayML and Pika Labs. 5. Coding and programming. AI helps write and debug code, making life easier for developers. Example is GitHub and Copilot. So, is generative AI all sunshine and rainbows? Not exactly. Let's break down the good and the bad. The benefits. It saves time and boosts productivity. Enhances creativity. Helps businesses to scale content creation. Assists people with disabilities like voice-to-text, AI companionship. Here are the risks. 1. Misinformation and deepfakes. 2. Copyright and ethical concerns. 3. AI bias and fairness issues. 4. Over-reliance on AI for creativity. That's why it's important to use AI responsibly and always double-check AI-generated content. So, what's next? AI is evolving at lightning speed. We might soon see AI that creates full movies, AI-powered teachers, or even AI designing entire cities. But remember, AI is a tool and not a replacement for human creativity. The best results happen when humans and AI work together. Alright, folks, that's generative AI in a nutshell. It's an exciting world filled with endless possibilities. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what AI tool are you most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.